Well, I am having a day today. I just did a whole video for part 4 and it is nowhere to be found. So I kept checking the phone to make sure it was recording. It was, and it is not there. So I will do a quick recap. Last night I added this flower. I'm going to be working on this. This is my Valentine design team project for Studio 28E, in case you are just joining me. I added the flower, and while I was videoing, I created some glassine bags here and here, which I no longer have the video for. I don't know what happened to it. I hit stop and it disappeared. I also created some altered paper clips. So that whole process you will not get to watch, but I will go through and make an altered paper clip, and I'll make a glassine bag again. This is one of the other ones. This one has the clip on the back, and we'll be adding some dangles onto that. Oh, how frustrating. Just frustrating. Well, and this is actually my 4th take for this video this morning because my iPhone kept messing up. Here's the other glassine bag. And it just has a journaling card. And I glued them down so there's a tuck spot behind and journaling card tucked inside. Here is the other paper clip that I made using the definition. What else? I think that was it. I just made the 3 paper clips and the 2 glassine bags. Oh, that's frustrating. So, all right, well, that just means I'll continue on and do something. Let me go grab a glassine bag and I'll be right back. So the first thing that I did was I went ahead and used the Peony from Recollections, and I just inked up the edges a little bit. It's a very soft pale pink, kind of chalky. So it just gives a hint of color, and that's it. All right, done with that. So now what are we going to do with this? I used the heart embellishment. There's 3 of them, 2 purples and 1 teal color, and decorated the bag. I could do the same thing or maybe try to come up with something different. What about, that's too big. We could do this one. One, 2. I don't have a big enough piece there, so maybe I always try to work in 3s. What about this guy? That might be too heavy. Not sure I'm liking that. I do like to see what's in the paper bag, or in the glassine bag, so all right, woman, come up with something different. So here's a little scrap of fabric with the colors of the kit. I could use the butterfly. Maybe we'll do that. I will put you on pause and I will go ahead. Oh, I'm off camera. I'm so sorry. I'll go ahead and put you on pause and I will cut this butterfly out really quick. Okay, I've got her all fussy cut out, and yeah, I think we'll do that. Nope, I like this down on the bottom, and we'll bring that up. All right, so gluing it down, just make the choice and do it. Sorry, my cables. Okay, all fussy cut out. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down. Rough up those edges just a little bit. Wow, today has just not been camera filming day. I can't believe I lost probably 25 minutes worth of video creating those bags and talking to you, and gosh. Okay. My glue is seeping out, so I'm going to use some of that on the butterfly. And I think I'll find one of the words and add that on. Sorry, getting glue off my hands. Okay, let's find a word. There's quite a few of them here. How about romance? Oh, I need a smaller one. Roses, flowers. Well, no, you don't want that there. May have to come back to that. Unless I fussy cut that. That would work. Just take a bunch of that extra off. Sorry, I'm gonna take a minute to cut this. And get the edges just a little bit. All right, I'm going with it. Don't put it on upside down. Okay. Then maybe this cute little guy. There he is. All right, so that was the glassine bag. And then altered paper clip. Oh goodness. Well, it says it's still running, so wish me luck. Otherwise, I did have this sitting aside. I wanted to put this together. I found this label, and I loved how this little fussy cut looks. So I'm going to glue that onto the label and then add the word sweethearts. I might get more done today than I thought, but I do have to go to work, so kind of on borrowed time here. Yeah. I had seen this last night when I was horsing around with this stuff and trying to figure out what I was going to do, and I just wanted a simple little label to attach to one of the pages. Alright, and there's the label using those pieces. Alright, what else can we do very quickly? I have a ton of these envelopes. They're just plain white envelopes with window, and I really liked how this looked. So I inked the edges with the peony, and I like how this journal card looks through the window. Still a little bent from the gluing, but and then there was a heart. Here it is. Just a simple heart. So I'm going to put this back in so I can see what it looks like. And there's a simple heart. And let's see if we can use some of these words. Hugs and kisses. How about that one? I have a couple more dictionary. We do have a couple more dictionary words. I may just do that. All right. How about a bit of lace? Put that here. I think I'll stop it right there, and I will be right back. Okay, I searched for my missing Fabri-Tac, so I'm not struggling with that very small bottle on a large size here. So just adding a bit of lace. To this. And trimming. And that'll give a little bit of a background to this word. And I'm going to go ahead and add some peony to that. Glue on my fingers. Okay. So in one of the 4 videos, this is my 4th take again, I mentioned that if you've been watching my videos, which I hope, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so there will be a winner. If you're interested in joining that, make sure that you create something. It doesn't have to be fancy, but make sure you create something along the lines of what I've used here in the kit. whether it's an altered paper clip or a decorated glassine bag. It has to be Valentine's Day related. It does not have to be with the kit, but I sure would enjoy that, and I know Sherry would. So if you can go grab the kit, please do. And you know, maybe you can catch up and work along with me every day until I'm done. For the rest of this week, I'll be doing a video and posting it, and at the end of the week I will take a look at who posted images, who commented, who watched my videos, well, all that fun stuff, and then I will have a drawing. And I'm not going to say what the gift is yet. It will be a surprise for now. So I'm going to call this quits, and I hope everyone has a great day. It is freezing here. Right now it's, I think, 7 degrees. And yikes, pretty darn cold. All right, everyone have a great day, and until the next video, bye for now.